add this social media link to your channel art or channel banner. So let's get started, guys. First, go to your YouTube channel and go to customization. Now it will open a page like this, guys, and go to basic info, and you can keep this link in here. And for now I am deleting this link, and uh, go to the website which you want to copy the link of the website which you want to keep, add the link and keep a title. I am keeping join Discord. For now I am keeping Discord link. You can keep any social media link. So click on publish, and now as you can see the link is there. And please join my Discord server for more to interact with me. Subscribe or this frog will haunt you at night.
何？お前はもう死んでいる。